Let's see how you can easily build an AI agent on Telegram that can respond to customers' questions and also transfer to the human agents when necessary. So here in this video, I'm going to explain how to build an AI agent for this specific business called as Nova Vibe Events. So this is about event management company. So here we have all the information about that specific business, such as about the business, services they provide, event types, and event planning packages, vendors work with, frequently asked questions. So here we have some information about that specific business. So when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it's gonna simply respond to that questions using the information we have right here. So first of all, if you want to build a Telegram AI chatbot for your own business, you need to actually connect the Telegram channel right here. So here, if you're wondering how to create a Telegram bot over here in the help center, we have this Telegram automation guide over here. So first of all, you have to go to this bot father account or this particular link and create your bot, and you can name this bot as you like. And once it's created, you can easily grab the bot token and connect on our platform. So if you already have the bot, you can simply grab the bot token and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations for the Telegram. And if you are planning to use any AI models, go to settings over here, integration. So here you can actually build AI agents powered by OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud AI, XAI, or DeepSeek. So you can actually use any of these AI models as you like. So in that case, you need to actually connect the API keys from those platforms as well. So for example, if you're wondering how to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform, click on this OpenAI ChatGPT link, click on learn more. Here we have the guide on how to grab the API keys from your own account. So here you can grab your own API keys from the OpenAI platform and connect it on our platform. So likewise, you can actually have the specific links to grab the API keys from each of these models as well. So in this account, we have actually connected all these AI models, so we can actually use those AI models as well in priority to respond to the customers in Telegram. So you have to actually go to the AI hub over here and create the AI agent. So in that case, this is the company name. So let me create the AI agent in the specific company name. So click on add new and add the company name right here. All right, so here we have all the information about that company. So copy that information right here and paste it over here. All right, so now let me update the prompt as well. For example, let me say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. Respond to the customer's question in just 1 to 2 sentences. So here, if you scroll down, you can actually set up the AI tools as well. By default, you will see this connect user to human as well. So this is actually enabled by default. If you don't want, you can actually disable this one. So the goal of this particular AI tool is that it will, if the customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, it will automatically post the chatbot and simply transfer the conversation to the human folder where a human agent can jump in and talk with the customer as well. So by default, you will see this enabled. Otherwise, you can remove this one as well. So let's keep this as it is and click save. Alright, so we have actually created this AI agent right here. So now you have to make this as the default agent over here so that it can actually respond to the customer's questions right there. And if you are wondering how to set up the specific model or choose the specific AI model, here you can click on these options over here. And here, since we have connected all these AI models on this account, it shows all these AI models right here. But if you connect only the OpenAI, you will see only the OpenAI right here. And here you can even set the priority as well. For example, if the OpenAI fails, then it will try to generate a response from the cloud, this particular model. Let's say if the OpenAI and cloud fails, then it will try to generate a response from the Gemini. So by doing this, your AI chatbot will function 24/7, even one of the AI model fails as well. So here you can choose any models you want to use right here. For example, let me say GPT 5.1. So first it will try to generate a response from GPT 5.1. If it is successful, it will simply send that to the user. Suppose if it is failed, it will simply try to generate a response from these AI models right here. And you can even change the priority of these AI models as you like as well. So here, let me click save over here. Alright, so this is set up as the default agent. And here in settings, you have to make sure integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT, make sure this is switched on as well. So likewise, if you use other AI models, you have to make sure this is switched on as well. And save it. And here Cloud AI auto replay, save it. And XAI, save it. Alright, so now let's test how this actually works. So let me go to the AI hub and open the specific business information right here so that we can actually ask any sort of questions right from here. Alright, so now let me share my phone screen right here. So this is the Telegram bot connected right there. So let me ask a question. So let me send this and see how this actually responds. So it says we serve clients nationwide across the United States, frequently working in cities like New York, Los Angeles, Dallas, and these other things. And we also offer virtual and hybrid events globally as well. Simple as that. So here, everything recorded in this particular AI agent simply responded right here. So likewise, you can actually ask any sort of questions right here. So let me ask about the pricing as well. For example, what is the starting price? So let me ask and see what happens. So it says our essential planning package starts at 2,500, and it simply shows the pricing for the other packages as well. So likewise, if you ask any sort of questions right here, it's gonna simply respond. And even you can actually ask the chatbot to transfer the chat to the human agent, or can I talk with an agent? It will simply post the chatbot as well. So now let me show the inbox before we post the chatbot using the intent. So let me go to the unified inbox over here where you can track all these conversations happened. So here, this from the Telegram, here it says bot active, and it's simply responding to the customer. So now if I send a message over here asking, can I talk with an agent please? So let me send this and see what happens over here. So it says I have connected you with agent. Someone from our team will join the conversation shortly to assist you directly. Simple as that. And as you can see here, the bot is active is gone. And if you go to this human folder, you should see that conversation right here. So from here, and agent can easily jump in and talk with the customer as well. So now if a particular customer send any sort of messages, nothing will happen because this is actually transferred to the human agent already. So even if I send any sort of messages, no response is generated because it's actually in the human folder. So now from the human folder, an agent can easily send any sort of messages they like as well, and the customer will receive it right here. And after responding or after handling the conversation, they can actually move the chat to the bot as well. So transfer the conversation to the bot, and from there it will get activated, and they can, if they say thanks, it will respond because now the bot is active. It will sometimes say you are welcome or something like that. So that's a quick video on how you can easily build an AI agent on Telegram. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.